Hello everyone, welcome to another video by ARORA Group. Today we are going to demonstrate SS finishing system. This challenge is a very major challenge in almost every industry, right from manufacturing to other industries as well, be it a food manufacturing, food producing, machine manufacturing company. SS is something which challenges a lot of people, be it scratches as we can see in this. There are some deep scratches in this which we need to repair. Along with that, another problem which many people face are the spot welds. We do spot welding from behind and then these spot welds marks are there. And post powder coating, these reflect in the final finish. So we have our SS expert with us, Mr. Amit Diwan, having more than 20 years of experience in the field. He'll be demonstrating about how we can repair this SS sheet. Firstly, we'll be repairing all the spot marks. In some cases, spot marks is a challenge, but in some cases, we might not need to correct these spot weld marks. We directly can go in for the repair of the scratches. So we'll start with the spot weld removal. Our first step will be, we'll be using Roll-Op 777F, a 3M product, and that will be used, this is 120 grit. That totally depends on how your marks are there. So we are using 120 grit in our case. Amit sir will start the demonstration. Our second step will be using Roll-Op Bulls medium to do the finishing of this second step. Okay. After we are done with step 1 and step 2, we'll be moving on to the step 3. In your case, if spot weld is not a challenge, we can directly go on to repairing of the SS sheet. If the challenge is there, first, second step done. Now continuing the third step for a clear demonstration on a single sheet of SS. We are using a 3M balloon belt system. This is a widely known system in SS finishing. We are using a balloon in this. You can also use 3M expander wheel for the same. And then another 7 inches polisher which is available, any company works. Then we start with the finishing for the product. First we are using the zircon belt to remove the scratches from the surface. Small adhesive print in that black spot. We have used the 3M SS cleaner in order to remove that. We'll just wipe it with a microfiber cloth. As you can see, the black spot has clearly gone away. This is a very useful product, 3M SS cleaner. Now we are changing the belt for the second step of the balloon belt system. We are removing our zircon belt which was used to remove the scratches. Now we are putting in our second belt, the Trizact belt. We are changing the belt with the air. We need to ensure that we do not overfill the balloon. It is just to hold the belt, not tightly do the belt. It will cause bubbling and the pattern will not be corrected. So it's better to just slightly fill the air. The second step of balloon belt system is generating a pattern, and for that we are using the Trizact belt. using the belt for our final step of balloon belt system, which will be a Scotch-Brite A medium belt. This will be used for blending of our final pattern on the product, and in that also we have seen that how we have removed the excess air, and now again we just follow the same step of filling the air, not to a maximum level. Now, as we saw in step 1 and step 2 of the balloon belt system, we used RPM somewhere around 1200. But once we are doing the finishing, the RPM we'll have to drop it down to somewhere around 700 to 800 RPM. Final step. After the balloon belt system, we go in for our final step of blending by using 3M hand pad with a hand pad holder. This is used to blend all the final matches of our substrate. We'll be going ahead with that. Once we are done with all the steps, we'll be using a 3M SS cleaner and a polish. This is a food grade product. This is the end step in order to give our product a final shine. Also, beauty of this product is pre-dispatch. If there are any finger marks, they can be just removed by a wipe of a cloth. We'll show how this is applied. Just shake the can well and apply this on the product post all the steps which we have done, and just use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe it off. And with that, the final product is being ready. As you can see, we have attained the final brush finish.